What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Heading to the shop to get my limited slip differential installed. Part of me, it's the morning time. It's about like 9 o'clock, and it's actually 9:30. I'm supposed to be there at 9 o'clock. A little late. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess pick it back up when I get to the shop. Hopefully, Rick is there. Please, Rick, be there. I want. Like working on the BMW right now, getting LSD installed, and I'm on my phone trying to figure stuff out. People know you don't want the smoke.
I'll race you right now.
You said that for the guy. Nah, I'm about to get some pizza real quick.
From where?
It's a spot called Gino's up there.
60, I gave him 80.
Alright, bro. Yo, oh yeah, you off Sunday, right? I'ma look at it. Multiple days, one video type of deal we going on with this. So you guys can see the LSD is in the car now. I do notice tons of differences, but I'm gonna just drive it a little bit more, wait into the break-in period to get further into that. But like I said, you already notice difference immediately. Go around corners, not even full throttle because you have to let this break in. And speaking of break-in, I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you guys, demonstrate what BMW recommends in order to break in the differential, even though you still have to do the 500 mile thing. Pretty much going to use this little field area thing right here. And I'm going to do 20 figure eights. Now, it might be a little difficult to do this whole thing, not space-wise, but because everybody's already looking at me weird. So, I'm about to see this BMW do, man, figure eights. So yeah, 20 figure eights, 20 left hand idle U, like circles, and then 20 right hand idle circles. So, let me just start with that. Right now, and I need gas too. Let the games begin. I gotta figure out how 8 goes again. I think I know how it goes. Yeah, I know how it goes. Bugging out, bugging out, bugging out. Alright, make it right here. I think it's idle 8s too, so. Then we going straight. This is a slow figure 8 right here. Let me see. I don't know if I can hit the gas on this at all, but. Yo. People looking like, what the hell is this guy doing? Like, he got a BMW, but he's learning how to drive right now? I kind of feel a little bit of it, but I'm doing a short figure 8, by the way, because I ain't trying to look too crazy. Left circles, which will probably look even more weird to these people. I look like an idiot. I'm getting on the most crazy stairs right now. Gotta have a sign of now, filming in progress, breaking in differential. Don't look at me crazy. That was one of the weirdest things that I've ever done, I will admit. But I did the short version, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't do 20. Did probably like, probably like 15, maybe 10. I'm not sure exactly what's that supposed to do. I can only imagine it would just kind of like bed the clutches in a little bit better. I still have a couple 100 miles to go with the break-in period, and I promise you guys, after I hit this 500-mile break-in period, yo, get ready, because this puppy is going on a track. Let me get up out here so I can head to go edit this video to put it out for you guys. Pretty sure you guys are gonna be excited in this one. Obviously, we have more videos coming. But yeah, first impressions with the diff installed. It's very, very, believe it or not, it's really hard to not want to floor it, especially because you get so much more confidence in the corners now. Believe it or not, you get so much more confidence in the corners. I don't know which one did the most. The past recently, you know, I've done the transmission tune, which woke up the car. I can't see crap. All right, cool. Yeah, the transmission tune that woke up the car. The control arms, you know, tons better grip and steering. But this LSD really completed the package. It makes the car feel so solid in the back. It's just weird how it just makes it feel like everything is now tightened. Everything was torqued down to spec before, I would assume. I don't think the diff was ever touched. I heard this has a 30% lockup on acceleration and 9% deceleration. I have no clue really what that is exactly. I mean, I know what lockup is, but I'm gonna do a little more research in what that is and also the service interval of this differential. Huge shout out to Thic F30. If you follow me, 9 times out of 10 you follow him, but if you do not, go ahead and you can follow him on Instagram. I'll put it right here in the description, and on YouTube. He has a Glacier Silver F30 that he wrapped a sick Donington Grace look color. I'm not exactly sure what the color is, I forgot, but if you want to see it, definitely check out his YouTube channel. He makes killer YouTube videos and super innovative and creative. I actually ordered off of his website YouTube decals to go on my car. The reason why I got black is because I have a silver car and I don't want to put them in the window. Everybody puts them on the window. I kind of wanted to put them on the paint. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub down the area where I want to put this first I gotta figure out where I should put this. I'm kind of shooting for either right by where the Vibe sticker is, or just down below where your M Performance sticker would be on the car. And so you guys know where to subscribe, because, well, I mean, you guys know, but maybe somebody in the street, I get a lot of compliments all the time, and they looking at me like, yo, man, it's a nice car. Listen, you want to see more of this nice car, and some stuff that you don't see, like this LSD, you really don't see. So with that being said, you know, I give you guys a place to go. You know, you see me on the highway, you see me here and there, like, oh, let me subscribe to this, you know. So went ahead and got that. Super grateful for Thic F30 hooking me up with this. Pretty good price. I also put his website down below where you can get some of his merch. I kind of wanted to start something where I go off and I purchase independent style companies or businesses, or just whatever you call it, merchandise, and kind of wearing it and give you guys like review how does it feel and certain things like that, because, you know, anybody can go out and make a shirt. You know, anybody can go out and think of a design, make a shirt. I've had a couple shirts made for me. I wasn't too fond of some of the quality of it, and I feel like before I do something like that, I would have to gain a little more knowledge on that and kind of dedicate some of my time to creating nice things for you guys to purchase. Anyway, one thing that I love and support is when people go out there and do what they love, and, you know, they start things of their own. So I figure, what's better than that than to go out and start purchasing some of these creators merchandise. You know, oh, that's a Type R. This is a nice one too. It supports them and grows their business, hopefully a little bit, you know, if you guys like it. I feel like I'm at that point where at least a couple of you guys on here, you know, really do value my opinion, and I appreciate that. So I figured, why not try them on? Figured, you know, I can go out there and buy a fancy shirt. You know, why can't I support somebody out here trying to do their thing? So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't know when, but definitely throw on a shirt, let you guys know how it feels. Now, I'm gonna be real with you guys. If it's not exactly up to them standards, I'm pretty much gonna tell you guys. You guys probably won't care, or will care, who knows, but it most likely won't be like a dedicated video on it. It's maybe like somewhere in a video where I'm doing something, you guys will peep the shirt, and I'll say, oh, by the way, you know, I'm rocking such and such, this, that, and the third. It feels this, bam, 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 onto the vlog type of deal. I think that'd be beneficial to a lot of the content creators out there, a lot of the merchandise creators out there, and it'll be beneficial to, I mean, you guys, because you guys know who's giving you guys the good and who's giving you guys the bad. So with that being said, tell me what you guys think about it.